Good evening, ma'am. My name is Jack B. Pareha. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Porok Tres, Barangay Babag, Butuan City. I'm a freshman at Butuan City Colleges Incorporated. I'm studying Bachelor of Science Information System or BSIS. Why I choose this course? Because my dream is to be a programmer someday. Also, I'm really excited to learn about technology and how it can help our community. Outside of school, in my free time, I love to play guitar with my brother. And also I love to play basketball with my friends, playing drum and bass guitar. I love also singing with my favorite person. I'm looking forward to a great year. So that's all. Thank you.